So we've made it to Tri-City Auto Salvage, hoping that they have some wheels for super cheap. If they don't, no biggie. We'll be putting that money back into the tent and then hopefully sourcing some wheels online. Specifically looking for some 14s. I know they're small, they're not 17s, but it gets the job done. Alright, so that was a major bust. This place isn't a wrecking yard, it's more of a fucking salvage yard. So he wants to inventory all the parts. And I asked him if he could look it up by bolt pattern, wheel size. He said no, it has to be by make and model and by year. So I'm not gonna sit here for 30 minutes going through every make and model that matches my wheel type. The hunt continues. And my guess is there's gonna be a crap ton of snow down in this area. Gorgeous. To LKQ self-service. Doesn't look too janky. Let's check it out.
Does yours have the plate?
Alright, so we're knee deep into it. Still at the American cars, but why is it Audi with a Nissan? Nothing. No. This poor Jaguar. But look at the wheels. These things are brand new looking. Does that have all four? 2, 3, and it did have the rear. God. When you realize you should have done a 5-lug conversion. Crushed Miata. Relatively new paint with the daisies. I don't know if I could put daisies on the Volkswagen though. Sides 1, 2, 3. Fourth one's missing. Oh, damn you, 5-lug. Second Volkswagen I've seen at this lot. The other was an 02 Golf. Brilliant. Again. 5 lugs. And these are actually the wheels I was looking for. Bottle caps, but these are a little bit different. This is off of BMW. 94 325 5. This is the closest thing to a 14 I've seen. Looks to be rest in peace. And unfortunately, I don't know if you can see on the video, but it had new paint. I don't know if you can see the flake. But definitely got in an accident. 72 Beetle. Alright, so today's hunt was a bust. Didn't find any wheels, and even if I had, would have been, wow, what was it cost? $35 per wheel with tire. By the time I refinish them, it's gonna be about a $150 anyway. Gonna try a different spot and then just wait. Maybe some will fall from the sky. Peace.